I am making dinner, but I wanted to share with y'all, we have been super busy. Or I say I'm making dinner. I was also emptying out this. There's a lot going on this week, okay? My mind is like in 5 different places right now. Of course, taking care of the kids, making sure my husband is taken care of, and then making sure the house is taken care of, making sure clothes are taken care of, making sure I'm still feeding people, but then I have my projects that I want to finish. And then now we went to, eyes up here, we went to Best Buy and I bought my new DJI Osmo Action 5. I asked for the 4, but my husband just went ahead and got the 5 because it's only like a $50 difference. So that's what I got. I was trying to get one on Amazon Prime Day, or the Osmo Action 4 on Prime Day. Kind of glad I didn't, because I would have paid a lot more or the same amount of money for a camera that was okay but not as good as the Osmo Action 5. I'm not sure why it's better, or the Osmo Action 5 is better, but the guy at Best Buy was like, if you can get the 5, get the 5. And so I said, okay, as long as my husband's okay with it. And he was. So sorry, I'm trying to get stuff done and give y'all content at the same time. But got the 5. I haven't really looked at the stuff yet, but now I'm going to be researching all the things that it does, because the Osmo Action 4, I saw it was better than the GoPro. Like, the quality was better, it was a sharper image, it was more clear, smoother, it looked so much better, it had better color, or it looked better when it was like color graded. And you know, everything that a DSLR would have taken forever to upload. So I did not want a DSLR anymore, because one, it takes forever to upload, it's so heavy to hold around, and I'm just sick of the DSLR. I want a vlogging action camera, because my entire life is super go, 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 go. And I felt that I can actually do more with an action camera just by clipping it on, and y'all just experience my life through a POV instead of me holding the camera like this and talking to y'all. I'll be, you know, showing you what I'm doing crafting wise, but I will, you know, still vlog like this. The Osmo Action 5, the reason why I looked at the DJI 5s was because it has a front-facing camera without sacrificing quality. So this right now, I'm filming on the front-facing camera on my phone, but of course if I use the back camera on my phone, I will be able to see myself. Yes, there's like a $50 thing to where you could use your back camera and have a monitor, but I was like, I really don't want to do that. So I just bought this action camera because I heard it was great. It has a fisheye lens on it, but you can change the setting in the camera to where it's just like a standard shot. And that's what I also love, because my camera on my phone, I can film, you know, at 1.5 or 0.5, whatever the setting is. But on this, I can also do the same thing. I can film in just regular or in a wide shot. So that's why I liked this camera too. It was also smaller. I do have a light attachment that you can put on it. It's like adding another square to the top, so it really doesn't make a huge difference. And what else? Let me finish this so I can finish my thought. But I also have the DJI mic, mini mic or whatever. It's a lavalier mic. I think I have it over here. Yep. It is not compatible with my phone. This little thing. it is only compatible with third-party apps. So if I'm using TikTok, I can film on TikTok and link up to my phone and it work instantly, but I can't do that on my phone. But with the DJI camera, I can just turn that on, have this hooked up to it, and go from there and have excellent quality. I also want to film or do a couple like vlogs while I'm in Florida. My first few vlogs are going to be in Florida with it, so that will be crazy, especially if I'm going to be sorry, my daughter's trying to get over here. If I'm going to be on the beach, I think it would be gorgeous to, one, I could take it underwater and y'all can see like all the fishies if there's any, or I can take videos of me diving underwater. I could take videos of, I won't show the kids, but I can take videos of the kids and like their first beach trip and be out in the water and not care about if my phone gets wet, because my phone, when it gets wet, the first things that go out are the speakers, because I don't know why. My husband has no problem using his phone in the water and his speakers turn out fine. My speakers always get worse. So I am glad that I'll have a camera that I can take out with the kids and just clip it on me, so I don't have to worry about the camera. I just worry about holding my kids. So I'm excited for that, and I won't have to worry about anything getting inside the camera or anything like that, because it's like really good with other things. But the cameras are very durable, and they're like built for like going in the snow and stuff like that. You can use a protective case around it, but I don't plan on being that rough with it, and it's already like a really durable camera alone by itself, so I wasn't worried about really getting a case. But I do have like the case that wraps around it to mount it. That's the only thing that I needed. I have extra batteries, I have a bunch of SIM cards, and I have the light, the mic. The only thing I don't really really want, I have a like handheld tripod, but I did not get like the handheld stick to where you can get wider angles, or you know, get shots pointed towards me. I have like a mini tripod to put it on, and it already gets a really wide shot anyways. And I have a head mount, like it's like it goes on your hat. So I have a mount that goes on my hat that I can film with that too. But I'm normally just doing like POV shots. Very rarely will I show a shot of me, because I just feel like it's weird to have videos like this where I'm talking, where I can just show y'all and voice over it. But I know it's a lot more personal for me to get on here and talk to y'all, and I like doing that because I feel like I'm FaceTiming y'all and actually talking to y'all eye to eye, even though I'm looking at the camera. I'm just trying to talk and, you know, say what's on my mind at the time, because it's a whole different mindset when I'm doing a voiceover. So yeah, and then plus YouTube is telling me that y'all like it when I talk to y'all face to face, do like a story time, or I talk to y'all like we're buddies and stuff. So yeah, I'm just trying to make different content, be different, but it's like, I don't know, I'm just being me. I'm just being authentically me. But I care too much about what people think, and I need to like get out of that and stop overthinking things and just do it. Just post the content, just make the content, and stop thinking about it. So all right, well, I gotta finish dinner, and then I'm gonna show y'all what else I do for the rest of the night. I'm just doing a whole bunch of projects and trying to get those done. I have this shirt that I'm doing. I still need to do like the ends of them, add more elastic to the ends, because I don't like how they're bunching up. So, and then I'm making a skirt, and I'm altering different outfits and stuff. So yeah, meanwhile my daughter's doing pirouettes because she thinks she's a ballerina. She's been bragging about it to everybody that she's a ballerina, even though she has not taken one ballerina class or one ballet class, but she swears she's a ballerina.
Because I like ballerina cappuccino.
Yeah, she likes ballerina cappuccino. So, all right, on with the rest of the day.